In this video, I'll show you how you can add a new job on LinkedIn. So it's very simple. Just click on your profile at the top, then choose View Profile. And from here, scroll all the way down to your Experience section. And to add a new job, just click on this plus button. And from here, click on Add Position. And from here, you can choose your title of your position. So I don't know, Store Manager. Then you can choose your employment type. So let's say full-time. You can choose your organization. So let's say, for example, 7-Eleven. And then you can choose your start date. So let's say I started this month on December 25. And you can choose also location, and you can type a description. And if you want, you can also add some skills. So you have like storefront, retail, store management. And then you can also add media. So like some kind of documents or presentations. So if you have all these things filled, just click on save. And as you can see, this is my new job. So this is how you can add a new job on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.